Riley Keough and Priscilla Presley to resolve conflict regarding family trust. The arrangement, which looks to put an end to a dispute over who will handle Elvis Presley's estate, is being kept under seal by attorneys for the singer's ex-wife and granddaughter. The legal conflict between Riley Keough and her grandmother, Priscilla Presley, for ownership of the Presley family trust has been building for months, but Riley Keough has kept quiet about it. Ms. Keough remained silent in public despite tales of familial strife that Ms. Presley has attempted to calm. Tuesday saw a significant continuation of that silence as Ms. Keough's and Ms. Presley's attorneys revealed at a court in Los Angeles that the parties had settled the case, but that the specifics would remain private. The judge, Lynn Keough, established a hearing date of August 4th and a deadline of June 12th for the attorneys to submit additional requests, such as a request to have the settlement agreement put under seal. Ronson J. Shamon, a representative for Ms. Presley, stated during the court that the family is happy, united, together, and is excited for the future. One of Ms. Keough's attorneys, Justin B. Gold, simply stated that Riley is content with the result. The arrangement that was considered in court on Tuesday represents Ms. Keough's first official response to the dispute over the family's share of Elvis's legacy that still belongs to him. Priscilla Presley filed legal documents opposing a 2016 change to the trust 2 weeks after Lisa Marie Presley passed away unexpectedly in January at the age of 54. Priscilla and Barry Siegel, the family's former business manager, had been removed as trustees as a result of that alteration, which was ostensibly approved by Lisa Marie. Additionally, it had named Ms. Keough and her brother Benjamin Keough as co-trustees in the case of Lisa Marie's demise. At age 27, Mr. Keough passed away in 2020. Priscilla's attorneys claimed in her petition that the amendment was illegal because it had never been presented to her during Lisa Marie's lifetime, as required by the trust's text. The court documents also asserted that the alteration might have been fake because Lisa Marie's signature was inconsistent with her customary handwriting. Priscilla pleaded with the judge to accept her as a trustee. Priscilla pleaded with the public in a statement issued in February as attention on the family quarrel increased to allow us the time we need to work together and sort this out. The attorneys for Ms. Keough never submitted any publicly accessible court documents describing their answer to Priscilla's petition. Mr. Gold did not respond to the petitioner's legal arguments on Tuesday. The parties have agreed that Lisa Marie's fourth husband, Michael Lockwood, who she spent years trying to divorce in a contentious manner, will act as the guardian responsible for managing the legal affairs of the couple's minor children, Finley and Harper Lockwood, who are both beneficiaries of the trust along with Ms. Keough. Elvis's followers, who are well aware of his history of divorce, extravagant spending, and court troubles, are not surprised by the Presley family disputes. Despite all the sloppiness that has been on show throughout the years, the Elvis brand today still generates more than $100 million in revenue annually. The Promenade Trust, a family trust, receives the Presley family's portion of those proceeds. The main Graceland house in Memphis and 15% of Elvis Presley Enterprises are still owned by it, giving it a value of tens of millions of dollars. According to the New York Times, Lisa Marie received $1.25 million in income from the trust last year before she passed away.